Okay, got some more problems here with rhombi and rectangles. I've drawn the figure out of the book there. What you're given is that JKLM is a rectangle and that MLPR is a rhombus. They've drawn a couple diagonals in there. On problem 31, they want the measure of angle MPR. MPR is here. It was also given in the problem that angle MRP is 70. In number 32, they want the value of angle KML, which is my y degree angle there, and it was given that the angle next to it was 53.5, angle JMK. Finally, they want the measure of angle KLP. Now, angle KLP is actually two angles put together. It is this angle, KLP, and it consists of the 90 coming out of the rectangle plus this angle that I've marked as Z that's up in the corner. It's angle MLP. So that means that once we find Z, the angle they want will be 90 plus Z. Okay, here we go. We want to think about what properties we have with these different figures. Things that pop out to me right away, knowing that we have right angles in the corners of rectangles is helpful because that means this guy y is just 90 minus 53.5, which is 36.5 degrees. Okay, so that one was pretty easy. Z also is pretty easy. We get Z out of the fact that the opposite angles in a rhombus, and R and the angle marked Z are opposite. So this 70 is opposite the Z. The Z is 70. Now that's actually a property of every parallelogram. So knowing it was just a parallelogram would have been enough for that. That means that this angle KLP is 90 plus 70 is 160. Okay, what can we do beyond that? Well, let's see. I would know because consecutive angles are in this rhombus down here. Here's angle R, which is the 70. Up here at M, inside my rhombus, the one that's split in half, I know that it's 110. How does that help me there? Let's see. Let's see. We have a rhombus. That's how it helps me. In a rhombus, one of the properties of a rhombus is that each diagonal of the rhombus, and that's a diagonal of the rhombus, bisects the opposite angles. So that 110 is actually split into 55 and 55. Well, that's the key to our problem then. Opposite angles are also congruent, so this is 55 and 55. And what we have then is the answer for X is 55 degrees. Okay, that's all of that one. See you next video. Enjoy geometry.